All right, thank you, Kate. While there are sunny, clear skies now, that simply wasn't the case 32 years ago today.
21 people lost their lives. More than 500 others were injured that day. The Airport Road tornado hit Huntsville hard, devastated parts of the city, and changed the lives of those who survived it forever. WAAY 31's Matt Kroschel's live on Airport Road. And Matt, the F4 tornado will go down as one of the deadliest and costliest storms in city history.
And that tornado struck at rush hour, just like it is right now, as it was starting to get dark out here. At 4:37 is when the tornado touched down, and it made its way here along Airport Road, carving a pathway of destruction. This is what archive video looked like from that storm and from the destruction that was left behind out here along this road. Hundreds of homes were destroyed, lives were lost, cars were thrown about here as people tried to make a sense of the major storm impacting a metro area here in Alabama. And current Huntsville City Council member Bill Kling had just joined the Huntsville City Council back in 1989. He also was in an apartment here on Airport Road when that tornado hit.
Next thing I knew, I was on the ground, the windows were blown out, the roof that my apartment was gone, and there was a tree that was about 2 feet away from me.
Kling said in the years that followed the storm, it was really incredible to watch this city rebuild. And if you were out here today like we are, you just can't even tell that something so horrible happened here 32 years ago. But this memorial here at the intersection of Whitesburg and Airport Road is here to remind folks about what happened, the lives that were lost. 21 people died the day of the storm. 2 other people died in the days that followed. More than 500 people were hurt during that storm. It is one of the costliest storms in Huntsville history. Reporting live in Huntsville, Matt Kroschel, WAAY 31 News.